I'll be giving you the cues. Get ready. Into McGill Sit Up set number 1 and exercise. And rest. Get ready for the other side and exercise. You've changed legs. Now the opposite leg is bent, keeping those abs down and flat. Lifting the chest. Rest. While you rest, get in position for your forearm plank. Hold in this tabletop position and come up and do your plank. Rest coming up and rest. Next exercise is going to be an extended plank. And come up into plank for your exercise. Rest coming up and rest. Back into position for McGill Sit Ups. One leg is bent, one arm is supporting the neck. I like to have my hand on my abs so they don't pop up. It's a very small movement. And switch legs during the rest. And exercise. Try to feel as if you're lifting your chest up toward the ceiling. And again, the movement is very small, pulling those abs down into the belly button. Rest coming up. Get back into plank position. You can do the same forearm plank, or if you'd like more difficulty, do the rocking plank, also known as the body saw. And rest. Going into the extended plank position. Up you go. And you can add the shoulder touch. You don't need to progress this, only if you want to. Or you can simply hold that extended plank. And this is your last exercise. And rest. And you can rest in that McGill position. And you did it.